Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to join a person on Roblox without being their friend. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Roblox app. So once you open your Roblox app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply tap on the three dot line that is on the left hand side of the corner, and from there simply go to your home or your profile. So once you are in your profile, you can simply find the search option. So in the search option, you can find a person you want to add. Simply type the person's particular name and simply type it and go for the results for persons. So once you go to the person's Roblox profile, simply tap it on. Once you tap it, you can find three dots option on the side of their profile. Simply tap on it and there you can find the follow button. Once you find the follow button, hit the follow button and then you will see a join game button when they are in a public game. So now simply click on join game to simply join a person on Roblox without being their friend. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.